Hi friends, good afternoon. My name is Achyut and I am from Vizag. So today in this class, we will learn the basic introduction of Power BI and unleashing the power of data with Power BI. And we will talk about Power BI, what are the features are there in Power BI and how it is important for the company's growth and all these things we will discuss in this class. So this is the what is the introduction? Unleashing the power of data with Power BI. So in this slide, we will know what is the definition, what is the purpose of Power BI and benefits of Power BI. So unveiling the Power BI, Microsoft's advanced data analytics tool, exploring the definition, purpose and benefits of Power BI. So definition of Power BI. Power BI Microsoft robust data analytics tool for visualizing and sharing insights. So it is a data analytics, like whether the data is having the any any mistakes or not, and if there are any uh, changes that we have to make, manipulation we have to make, all those things are comes under data analytics. And tool for it is a tool that we can visualize. So where it is getting wrong, all these things we can see through charts. We can see here, right? We can see through charts. So this is the definition of Power BI. And we can visualize and sharing our insights. And what is the purpose of Power BI? Empowering users to analyze. So we are having a lots of data, right? In every organization, there will be a lot of data. So we have to analyze the data and we have to interpret and visualize the data to make informed business decision. So based upon the data, we have to take good decisions so that our organization should grow. So in that scenario, we will use the Power BI as an effective tool to increase our money in the organization. And benefits of Power BI: enhanced data analysis, interactive visualization, real-time insights, and seamless data integration. So as I told you, what are the benefits of Power BI? Data analysis, interactive visualizations, real-time insights, and seamless data integration. So these are the basic definition and importance of Power BI. And we are having the differentiating features of Power BI, highlighting the main aspects that set Power BI apart. So the first one is data visualization. As I told you, enables clear and insightful visual representation of data. So right? We can see the charts like this. We can see the charts like this and we can visualize the data. And real-time analysis and provides up-to-date minute insights for timely decision making. So based upon the visualization of data, based upon the visualization of data, we can see the data, and based upon the data, we can make very good decisions so that our organization should be grow. We- Like for example, if we have any laws in our organization, this Power BI tool will tell you this is the area you're getting losing. So there the organization will put less investments so that the organization will get more money because they know where it was getting lost. So provide up-to-date insights for timely making decision. And natural language queries facilitates user-friendly data exploration through language-based interactions. So there will be a the long language-based interaction. So natural language queries will be there. And interactive dashboards allows for engaging and dynamic data presentation. So this is the engaging and dynamic data presentation. And the fourth one. So enhanced data integration capabilities of Power BI. So there will be 3 points. First is connectivity to database. Seamless integration with varied databases for data retrieval. So for example, if you have SQL, right? So it is a seamless integration. Like if you want to retrieve some data from this SQL, right? So the same thing in Power BI also. We will we will be having seamless integration with various databases for data retrieval, like taking the data from the database, taking the required data from the database. That is called data retrieval. Integration with Excel, direct import and data interaction with Excel spreadsheets. So we can import data from the direct Excel sheet spreadsheets, and data interactions will also will be done through Excel. And cloud services and web API integration, efficient connection to cloud services and web APIs for real-time data retrieval. So there will be an efficient connection to cloud services also. Cloud services. Now we can go to the next slide. So empowering insights through data visualization. So we can visualize the data in the form of maps, charts, graphs, and custom visuals. So we can see, right? We can see 20% of maps and 30% of charts and 25% of graphs and 25% of visuals. So this is the use of Power BI. We can visualize the data in the form of these different types of map, charts, graphs, and custom visuals. And we are having the mastering data transformation and modeling Power BI. Here we are having three parts: defining measures, establishing relationship, and leveraging query editor. So what is defining measures? So defining measures will do some we if we are having the lot of data, right? So in that data, it will do some it will do the summation, and if you want any maximum minimum thing, so all these things will comes under defining measures. And what will establishing relationship will do? So we are having different types of tables, right? In SQL, there will be different types of tables. So if we want to make relationships, we are having three types of relationships: is one to one, one to many, many to many. So these type of relations we can do in establishing relationships. And leveraging query editor. This tool is used for example, we are having any duplicate data. So to remove the duplicate data, we are using the leveraging query editor. So we are using leveraging query editor. And we're having distinguishing Power BI desktop from Power BI services. Understanding the variances between Power BI desktop and Power BI services. There will be three parts. Report creation. Power BI desktop is utilized for creating reports, report sharing. Power BI services employed or sharing reports, collaboration. Power BI services facilitate collaboration of remotes. So what is 3 points? Report creation, report sharing, and collaboration. So creating a reports, sharing reports, and collaboration of reports. And understanding the Power BI licensing options. You will be having exploring free pro premium models with features pricing differences. If you want to have free version and basic data visualization, will be having no cost. For the pro advanced analytics and sharing collaboration, you will be starting from $9.99 per month as one user. And premium, a dedicated capacity, large datasets, advanced AI, starting at $4,995 per month. And ensuring data security in Power BI, highlighting the significance of data security measures in Power BI. Implement role-based access control, enhances the data security by regulating user permission based on roles. So you'll be having the data security by regulating the user permissions, and based on roles, and utilizing the encryption protocols. So we are having the encryption. Like what is encryption? If you transfer the data into zeros and ones, and that is called data encryption. So it secures data transmission and storage through encryption algorithms. And compliance certifications, and ensures adherence to industry standards and regulations for data production. In Power BI, there will be a regulations for the data production also. There will be a compliance certifications. So it is a highly industry standards. And success stories transforming businesses are with Power BI. Real world examples of enhanced decision making and data insights. So business impact. So demonstrate tangible improvements in operational performance and ROI. So what is ROI? So return of investment. For example, if you invest any money in the organization, so what you can expect, you want a high returns from that organization. So this is tells the whether you will get the required returns or not. It will tell the ROI. Whatever the investment which you have made, the returns are coming or not, how the business is impacting. All these things will be come under business impact. Improve decision making. So based upon the illustrations, how Power BI facilitate informed strategy decisions, like based upon the organization working standards, you will be having some data, right? So based upon the data analysis, you can make a better decision where we have to work on and where we have to do less work. So we can make a right decisions. Enhanced data insights showcases the power of Power BI in uncovering actionable insights from the data. You'll be having the enhanced data insights. It will showcase the power of Power BI in uncovering actionable insights from the data. So these are the real world examples of enhanced data and decision making and data insights. That's it, friends. This is all about the introduction part for Power BI. Thank you. And if you think this video is helpful for you, please like the video and please share this video for your friends and family members so that they can be benefit from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.